everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you are spending hours creating presentation and want to build professional eye-catching slide in a minute, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you how you can create sleek and polished presentation super fast using Gamma.com, an AI-powered tool that take care of formatting and designing for you. Whether you are a student or a professional or a content creator, this tool is going to completely change you to make presentation. So stick around and I will walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. And trust me, once you see how easy and fast it is, you will never go back to spending hours formatting slide manually. So let's get into this. So we have to so this is you have to search gamma.com. Gamma. You can search it gamma. So you have this link over here. So this is the first search. You can see the pre presentation tool. You have to click it over here. And this is the Gamma website. So before we get into it, let me quickly explain what Gamma is. Uh, it is a web-based tool, meaning you just need to open it in a browser and start working instantly. No need to download or instantly anything. It offers pre-made template and uses AI to automatically format your content, saving you tons of time, and you can add text, images, chart and customize your slide without worrying about layout and designing. Let's go ahead and let's how see it works. Okay, so as we open this gamma.com, gamma.app website, in this website we have to click start for free. We have to log in with Google, or if you have any other login ID, you can log in with that also. I can go with the google.com. Okay, so I can go with the Google accounts. Okay, this is the comment. It's my account. Okay, let's say continue. Okay, as you can see, okay, so how do we plan to use Gamma for the personal work, whatever it is? Uh, let's say consultable, just me. Then create presentation from scratch. Whatever it is, build your site, whatever it is, you have to choose it according to how do we hear it. It's YouTube. Okay, so we have to create. We have this interface create with AI. So what we can do is that once you logged in, like click a create new or something like that, you will see the variety of templates like plain in text, generate and import file or URL. So we can go with the plain in text. Okay, what we can do is that in that I have this prompt. I have this prompt. Uh, okay, okay. So I have this prompt. I will give this prompt into the comment section or in a description. You can check this out over there. What we have to do is that we just need to do the insert our topic over here. So whatever the topic, let's say uh, artificial intelligence or healthcare. I choose this topic. Then I can choose the target audience, like whatever target is. Let's say students, professionals, marketers, educators. Okay, we choose this target audience. Purpose. Okay, explain why you're creating this presentation, training, awareness, or marketing. Let's say we are doing this for training purpose only, training and awareness purpose only. Okay, how our tone should look like. Okay, it's formal, informal, educational. Like text education, formal, educational. Do not get into the technical things. Okay, so let's say our tone should be the formal and educational. Additional notes, if you have anything to focus area, if you want to add something, so we can add also in this additional section, additional notes. What it must be concise and clear. Okay, so this is it. How we can do? Okay, example is we can remove this. Hmm. Generate. Okay, so we have this kind of option. What do you want to do with this content? Generate from notes or an outline. Turn rough idea, bullet point or outline into the bullet content. Summarize. Okay, so there is another thing. Summarize a long text or document. Great for considering detailed content into the something more presentable. This is the other thing. This is for the premium user only. Okay, we can go with this generate from notes or an outline. Okay, let's cater to this. And okay, so this is section. Mm, no, we can hide it. Okay, so we can go with the free form. Uh, we have this setting thing over here. Sub amount of text, right? Concise, detailed, or extensive. We can choose according to our need. So if you want some more data into the single PPT or single slide, so we can go with extensive, and we can go also with the details also. Okay, let's go with the detailed. Write it probably okay. This is something. We have the tone over here. Everything has been clear and concise over here. We can choose our visuals according to our need. Okay, so there are so many visuals over here. So it is for the uh, our healthcare. So we can choose this green color. It looks fine also. Adi. Select this thing. We can also select the AI model, image art style. We can choose. We have different type of image art style. We can choose one. Let's say we choose the illustration as it is, and we have this format. Format is a presentation. Let's generate it. As you can see, it is creating the presentation for us. It looks amazing actually. There is a image. There's a color combination for the healthcare, which is a green color. It also have this amazing thing. Yeah. Future of AI in healthcare. Okay, so our slide has been completed. This is our first slide. Let's go. We can check this out. As you can see, this is our slide has been completed. Key takeaways, uh, further learning resources over here. Everything has been done. I can present it for you. This is the first slide. This is the second slide. This is the third slide. This is fourth slide. This is the fifth slide. This is sixth slide. Slide is goes on. Okay. I can give you one hack also if you want to present it to others. Okay. So what we can do is that we can place this entire full slide, and we can use this spotlight function over here for the Gamma user only. So when you click the another button, okay, in the drop down button, so it also goes in like the it fades. Okay, this later as well. Okay, it looks good when you present your presentation to other this way. So this is how you can create your PPT through the Gamma, and everyone knows this. Okay, so that how you can create presentation of presentation in few minutes using Gamma.app. It is a simple, time saving, and powerful tool that help you focus on your context instead of formatting. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of presentation you want to create. I'll be answering your question and sharing some tip in upcoming videos. So go ahead, try out Gamma.app and let me know how it is going to. Okay, let me goes into the comment. Let me know how it is goes into the comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you so much.